Welcome to the workbench. Today I have a Arvin 927 radio chassis in for repair. Today I'll be cleaning the volume control. This control is made by Centralab. I'll be using Keg's Deoxit Fader F5 to clean the control. Just show you how the wiper works. The wiper's got a metal band that makes contact with the carbon with this little piece of wood that pushes on the metal band. See how it rotates here. So I'll take the spray. Just need a little deoxit, not much. You want to make sure that you get under the wiper or under the metal band here. I like to move the control about, 20-30 times back and forth to make sure it's cleaning the control properly. Then after that, after I get the radio repaired, I'll test the control, make sure it's quiet, make sure it moves evenly throughout its range.